Panlaong yung bitaw. Panlaong bitaw yung dirt.
Is Ma'am Alma. So there was one. So naukay sa baul. Nahukay sa baul. Si Ma'am Alma. There was one and then there was two. This is Uncle Maxel. Ano si Uncle? And Miss Liza Elvidans. And then of course last year we had 15 of us together with our assessors. And again tonight we have new 20 new NCP ER trained nurses. And of course, in the past 3 months, let us look back sa ato journey on how we came to be, Char. Okay, so sorry, wrong slide. So I think you can remember this. This is the first. Was this your first day in school? Yes, this is your first didactics at the ADR. And of course, thank you to all the mentors who shared their thoughts and their knowledge and their skills in order to hone all our new NCP ER trauma nurses. So these are the people who were there to share all their expertise for the didactics. And may napansin lang kami because you were gathering around kung ano ginagawa ninyo. We were curious. So may paparazzi. And of course, not only the didactics and the skills, but you were able to have your duty at the operating room department. So because ano sabot sa Tagalog? Ang usapan is evidence-based. So you sent your pictures. So here you are. And here, what is this? Is this a pata or... And then we have Sir Luel and Sir Ray. And of course, nag-update din tayo ng skills in burns. And we know that you were very interested. And pakiusap lang, wag po nating dumugin ang patient. Kasi konti na lang yung buhok ni Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And along your skills, we compiled some of your videos. And there were 3 notable videos. So sino kaya ang nagwagi? So first, this is the 3rd runner-up. So let's play a short clip because mahaba yung video. This is during the ABG taking. So kamusta, Sir Val? And we have the 2nd runner-up. Sino kaya yung first placer? Siya kay... And the Oscar goes to... Sino kaya to siya? Let's play the video.
Kusog sa volume. Kusog sa volume.
And because siya yung
Find yourself and just compare. Together and today, I'm sure we can help you today. YMCA. You can get yourself clean, you can have a good deal, you can do whatever you feel.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, yeah. Oh. Hey, hey, oh. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. Halika na, sumabay sa biyahe ni Welski. Travel, kwento, photos, bawat adventure ay risky. From mountains to beaches, bawat lugar ay wow.